Everybody, it's Mr. Giles, and we're going to talk about how to do some cool coloring using Pixlr, the advanced editor. Okay, so first, what you need is a picture to color. And actually, there is definitely a way to get better quality in your coloring. And I'm going to show you that right now. So when you look for a picture, and I'm going to move my picture of myself here. When you look for a picture, one, I put in, like, let's say holiday coloring pages. And then right here, you have this tools option and you can select size. And I select large because the bigger the picture, the more pixels there are, the higher, the better it's going to work when you're trying to color it. Also, if you notice, like for example, in this picture, the lines are very dark. So you have these very dark lines, which make it really easy to use like the paint bucket tool. And you see the size 1979 by 2560. I'm going to copy this. Let's see if that works. Right click, copy image. Okay. And I'm going to go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. And I'm going to click on the home button. And I'm just going to hit Control and V to paste the thing that I just copied. And it's going to paste. I'm going to say full HD. Oh, let me move this and apply that. 1484 by 1920. Okay, that's a pretty good size. So I'm going to look right here. And if it says 1484 by 1920, that's pretty close to the size it was telling me it was going to be. So I have a lot of tabs open, as you know, how I do. And it's a little smaller than the picture that it says that it was. It says 1979 by 2550, but that's a good size. So if I color this picture, I'm going to get the paint bucket tool, and I'm going to change my tolerance, and I might make it a little stronger, somewhere between 30 and 60, somewhere in there. And then I click. And when you click, you see how clean that is? Like there's no like, if I zoom in, there's not a whole lot of weirdness until I zoom in. Like I'm zoomed in, I don't know how much right now, a lot. I'm 195%. If I zoom out to like, you know, like about like that, it looks really nice. So you just pick a color and you start filling things in. And the like I said, the darker the lines and the stronger the lines, the better your final product is going to be. So I guess my challenge to you is to find a picture that you like and then find one that is large enough when you copy it. So when I click on a picture, for example, this picture, and I'm going to look at first the size. It says 2079 by 1483. So I'm going to right click, and the lines look thick. There are some where, like, if you look at the lines, they don't look like they're very solid. Um, and like for example, I clicked on this name. If you look at this, it's blurry. See, that's not good. And it says 718 by 1024, but it doesn't look good. If you see that blurriness in the picture, you don't want that. And this one looks very tiny, 300 by 300. That's not going to be good for coloring because you're going to have to zoom in. So find a couple of good high resolution pictures so that when you paste it, um, it's going to be as, see, 575, 570 might work. Because those lines look really solid. Let me go back to the photo editor. I'm going to go back to the home button. I'm going to hit Control V, and I've pasted it in. And the actual size here is 570 by 570. That's okay, but if you zoom in, you see how it's kind of pixelated. I'm going to try this. I'm going to click in there. It's not bad. It's not bad. But if you have a picture that's 1,000 by like 1,000 and the lines look solid, it's going to give you an even better quality. So you're gonna be happier with the results if you do that. So I'm gonna look for finding a better image so I can get a better end result. Okay, so today you're gonna try to find an image that is a coloring page. Searching, like for example, going to Google and writing. You could even write high res coloring page. High res for high resolution, and you might be able to find some more images. And then specifically, you can put in specific things, even, high res coloring image, dragon, high res coloring image, whatever. Um, and try it. These are good basic starters. I want you to try something more complicated than this. And even this picture, if you look at it, it's kind of pixely. So I'm not loving that picture. All right. We'll see what you guys make. There's a turn in. It's the holiday turn in. If you want to check that out. So have a great day and happy holidays. If this is the last thing you see, talk to you later. Bye.